McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
This is Nana McBrown, and I'm bringing you McBrown's Kitchen. Yes, your Empress is here. You know, it's all about cooking today. And when you say I know the chef right? But then you have a very special and simple. McBrown's Kitchen, at the end of the I was your form. And I said, shake a bank crime. And I'm a beautiful lady, very young and energetic. You know her, and never been to it. McBrown's Kitchen, again, the pageantry. With the Asida Emma Buafo. High sense, everyday prizes for everyday people. And high sense, you put that back in. Uncle, sir, and I want royal aroma rice, 90 omega-3 sunflower oil. Tasty tone and amino and food spices, sanitary. But coming to the body, my hair is my hair. My face is decorated by Aligina. My dress is from Royal Couture. And now me kasa the barbecue because we are saying it's me crew again if you know food, you fine. And that's a whole year restaurant. If I don't do it, the another restaurant, the upper, you should know it's legal and a social media. Sana, my Palm Royal Beach Hotel. So, I saw my say, I'm going to my McBrown's Kitchen and grill and an apple pie publicity. Maybe what's living there, free. I wish I for me, person the Casa. You try me to see about McBrown's Kitchen and they grill life.
Darling, plain, I'll check it.
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
Mommy, this is hard.
And 7 + 2 is 9.
Mommy, you're always right.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let us here. I don't trust again to me shebi. High sense TV wo we. Ya ba hwe na ya hwe no clear.
8 April, I copy World Cup na wiye.
High sense TV bia, size bia. Ya tete so ama mo say. Eno na waka no. Say, high sense dear. Wo dia asem o. Me dia ni ji sema san ya ba. Bora high sense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Toby, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 dear. What show high sense TV so therefore. And then fair. TV ya what time 5 years warranty dear. High sense na dey buy yo. Na da so chia. Hisense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be as I want to say Nadiana mommy go to Guardian and grow focus baby. I am in a zen. I have food spices and none yes are drinking in Yaman. We will have a chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. A baby has a wood menazen food spices. What do you wear, Diana? So, to and so we are doing with you, will be a bit with Diana. I'm been sat. Now, school feeding for years, while every no, we are on my feeling. Menazen will be any of his major customers. What is
Obia pade pa bebre.
I want bebre.
Nim dia bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear,
Adepe bia ye ma mebusua no me pe no bebre enu ti eba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix enye aduane no de keke o enuane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu when you ne chi die bio na me hwehwe
More jollof.
More
so say we super use and rich tasty tom tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu tasty tom emediane yede eyema also
McBrown's kitchen Ediane pede I was trying for my mama papa you say move so I wash McBrown's kitchen na and then me see a very simple food Ediane na yimi na me mom ni pa na oba be ye no I want to win because most of the time young women now Omoko pageant. Now you use a bikini name I know but today my dear Ruth is here to showcase our kitchen. Make Ruth I Miss Universe. I Ruth Quarshie. Hello baby. Yes my baby. Titola. Yeah. And now Shahil, come on. My father, I'm Shahil. Still watching me. Me him Pabua no. And you must me. Ruth necessary. Wow. Where Anka's black beauty. He makes a project. And then McBrown's kitchen up and never shake me singing in there. And they coffee any fear. Voila. Miss Universe 2017. Who was 17 years, Anna? Who how many years?
Mintuinka.
Mintuinka.
Go back calculate me nyama.
Who's Ruth Quarshie. Ruth Yakwaba. Would you Bible so
no trying.
Into so much Bible.
Pepe. Ruth no Bible sa.
No trying. Oh me Ruth who me kitchen say.
Kitchen dear. Minya yanka. Mpacho hina na ye no mo me kitchen na.
Me kitchen dear. Me okay. Me nya ma shout out. Me nya be ma be wardrobe.
Oh okay.
Wardrobe decor.
Oh okay.
I ono ane ja me the concept no man no. Okay ka see ani ma. Anya bad room sa.
Anya bad kram pe bi o me fie ho.
Wardrobe ya.
Mpacho.
Wow, Ruthie. Nana me ka sa wo ba ye cheche ba aduane ya wa choose you as a fie ni fie.
Say Jimmy and my aunt na faako. De bia ne enam kwan so ne di restaurant aduane ne ade enti. Se me ba fie sa na. I am in person my talk kitchen. Bibi say no simple di si ya twetwa kakra poto kakra na.
Una okro no right.
No.
Aya. Ya oro yen sans.
Mpacho yo.
Ya oro yen say we pe. Say de wo yo bu me die. Eno ane say. Wo de hihya so ama me a. Ai. Say when you come campaign no. Personal hygiene. Yeah. Because okra wo nya fair na okala nya fair yam fa.
Because beauty dear, as much as you take care of your skin then your core body moves in here, and also make sure say yes. And because you dinner no net share our bonting.
Sad Wanuati more. And I know so be prove Ghanaians wrong. Because once I moved the Munyasha crown one. And I say, Namonanti and ye bibia say, oh. And yes, I'm a told near the bar. And you know, and then you coffee in
Pacha, and then they are local.
Then they have no idea root.
And Pacha, a bomb, and sweet potatoes, cocoa.
And they cocoa. Wow, this is so simple. And root, young boy and your man so. Okay. Then you're easy.
Into yeah, cocoa, I been near your sweet potatoes. And yeah, zomi. And chene kakra wa say salmon kakra, kobe kakra. Bakposhota wa say jene tomatoes, your contumre nunkosua, and a pear.
And a pear. Ah, well, pa. Once I was there, we are not meaning that we have your uncle baby and root. Oh, yeah, so it's straight to bed.
Do you know what Shona is your cunyanus?
No, Miss Universe, Ruth Quarshie, 2017. Yeah, o ma me na yo.
Mpachai, ma me na mpachai.
Me na ye Sule Muntari wife no. Neba. So no na Miss Universe ne kura no.
Mpacho no na kura.
Na wo na wo wini.
Mpachai ne first year me na me
the first year one na fa da so kura.
Mpacho kura.
Obi anya ma ye.
Dabi. Obi ambaye.
Okay, Ruth. Say crown no dia waje. Yeah, her kitchen and McBrown's kitchen. They say ubedi 10 or 100% no. Yeah, the name na ama. Yeah, be ya abom potato and cocoa. Yeah, be starting the same.
Mpacho, me starting the same. Menua me kontomre ne me bakoshito no. Na me twaje ne kakra na me dia ka na me dia sija so.
Enti me so jama.
Mpacho se jama.
Okay.
Starting.
Okay. Enti yeah, be starting. Ya bomu na also the Jane kakra.
Jane kakra. Also Jane no. Me mpese me twia ebe komeni. Nti me de tuja so se na ebe na ma na yemre na me twia akone yo.
Pacho saka twi ni. Obi ni sa.
Pacho make twi pa me afantini.
We afantini.
Pacho.
Oh wow.
Pacho.
Wow. But uchi no what pa o nya fanti na o kan
no nya fanti make twi cause me tena tema me yin watema tema for nso de fanti twi na ya kan ti
na moka. Oh you be tema girl.
Yes please.
Oh okay.
Ba me fi akoko.
We e be
fi akoko.
Fiakoko. We na pot.
David. Mpacha.
And you am quite. Mama monsieur so na fa wo konto me no kama. Ya wo first one amount. But wo ye wa jani dia. Wo see ejade wo die.
Nya wo di ko mu na no na kire wa abonte.
Ano na kire wa abonte. Hey sister. Enti ye konto me na. Ensioni good. Enti ye the control me no see so first. O wa fa me say no we. We
hey.
Yeah.
Pacho yo.
U betumi atete. O se me try na enye hwe say o kra no waste no so.
Men den me try say me use me.
Eh panyin.
What was system ni mo acha me sia na me bite.
It's your bomb na wusi afọ. Because Ruth you funny oh. Asa wonye rigid, wonye miss for na.
Me try. I try. Mama say fancy for your comedians but me median there. I don't say the way the world is no one flexible ho kakra. And 6 feet. I don't back 6 feet until say o sre kakra na oji weni kakra.
Say crown no. 2035 video. We 20 million new. We are Nana McBrown. We are Nana Kupadro. We are one yo. Emre na swan. Obeko. Inti uhunia na wasre achire no. That's all. No. Inti e konto me no. Na say me no nko edoso.
Sa.
Pachi. Ana pese odi bi koma ma me.
Kama ndi kofi anke nyu.
De bo mbehwe.
Na nko hu se ne ba na oba we megu nani mase.
Se wo hwa obehu. Gudia menya sho to begu nani mase. Gudia o menya sho. Nti e konto me ni koja so right. Ye betumi dia kwa. Wow. Ruth Quarshie. Mami shema
yo me das.
Se mo dia ko se anampe.
Mokone de eno de quantity a open na de begum me shada mpe moko bebre but I am pese hone ho kakra.
Okay, shishi mu kakra. Me di binti upa fa tu bika.
Okay. Na me mama o fie nso mfo no so na dia ba ko.
Na de mama de ba ko. Wow, that's nice.
Any mi jeni na mi mpese be komeni no.
Enu ko ho.
Pachai.
Hey Ruth on sane se ka efe.
That's.
Enya kan no kwa na anim she. Itu mama wa Ghana ha.
Mpachai wa Ghana.
Oh tema.
Mpachai.
Also tema uma.
Mpachai. Mpachai.
Tema uma.
No de wo. Mpachai no so tema. Mpachai. Wow. It's say
ye kontomre
no. It's sisia no.
Ye be kodie.
Ye ba be ye de potato no. And ye broad ye no e ba be siso.
Good.
In Timpacho said,
I have a drink for you, darling.
Okay.
It's an apple juice.
Oh. Please, where's it from?
Apple juice. Oh, where am I, media?
Hey, sorry. Apple juice.
Oh, cheers. Yeah.
That's it.
Ruthie.
Aye, ade.
McBrown's kitchen now, no. Wow. Miss Universe 2017. Ruth Quarshie. Quarshie nyanga body.
Dabi, me dey na fancy day. A coastal name into fancy for I before in kind for ye nya yo fashion. Almost spread it wo kwan na no. Omu twemu no.
Ba mi hwe bia ma.
Mpacho yo.
Mi hwe bia ma we dia na ma jaw. O method that we did, that means it's like we now we swear.
Because me pesa me cha kitchen. I hani a friend me say me nkoye show bia na bibi na.
Come speech.
Me gina kitchen. So
no,
yen tasting so and I'm very health conscious into abom no contomre no vitamins na ewo mu no eboa me ne ade recently am ko donate moja ntimi hia me moja ne back.
Oh yeah. Who go donate moja way?
Ewo blood vine. Omo ye blood donation. Na me cry me feel so.
Omo how many pine?
Oh, back at a time. And no pen am mitimi ma at a time no back pen am mitimi ma enti.
Operation do it from all angle. Hey, what woman was it?
Yeah.
Wouldn't him say, me say, yeah. What's what they are? Yeah, woman. And I said, Madam, I Ruth.
Maybe.
Yeah,
I mean, for me, it's a kind of
strategy now. Yeah, try and I said, who was so training
Ketwa? Because Haseno, the party. I don't want to miss that part.
Hey, what being cast off if you go because they move. Hey, Miss Universe. What you crying? You go you on.
Also, on am road, necessary now. Rare more now. The potatoes, and I now do fear aduane.
Yeah.
So, but now benya o ko bi now snazzy. Now
long legs. What's in it anymore?
Any jenkwa.
Yeah, we cry. They will be okay.
Any jenkwa.
Yeah, funny na.
The infant to her. Say me no me. O say yam family. See.
Auntie, mama. Watch on TV, okay? Your baby will fear mom. It could be a good film. All right.
Yeah.
What's next?
Potato, no, see, I mean, the sijaso. But me median me you.
All right.
Me pay musa na me the sijaso. Send ye via, me papa me na me the sijaso. Send ye via, near ya na styles.
What peely? No.
And also your style.
And also what?
Obia was send you any the method so far as any ya become.
Okay, right.
No. Young for ya dey so kakra na. That's it.
That was my Miss Universe. Ruth Quarshie. Wow. Ruth, now go school.
Me call junior high school. I was in John Bosco, Tamakonto 2. Catholic school. Na me call Ola senior high. I was ho. Na me call Tuaso Legon.
Oh, okay. And I did Joe Crown suit.
Pachan.
Along. 20% along.
Pepe.
Okay. And to say, we shall for the sweet potato no. Kojaso.
Yaho wanted that. Yeah, no, a bit easy. See, a bit pemu keke.
A pemu keke. Wow.
Wow,
sir. Yeah, quantum bread or so. Quite wine. Yeah.
No, so.
That's reality. Miss Universe.
Yes.
Hey, I also said, "What me the cooking show in a account?"
Abeboa because your mama why abano nanse no yen sheda am packaging ko. Nti em why yen sa da chi bi no. Ebe yire pa amai mewu. Ebe yire pa amai nti san komo the cooking shows no. Competition first na pageants ni bi ye. Basa nanse no omoja is all about yen kwa nante na yen so more say aduane ni nso hia.
Aduane ni nso hia.
Cause me kwa gym no mo ka tell say 80% of whatever how I look is from what I eat. It's a wabet me aye aduane no kwa gym ni nso aka ho na ama bibia aye fine but ebe anything.
Not you. I'm not your crown.
Cry.
Yeah, the potatoes will see you no any see that.
If that's so every.
And you're bad. And so okay, Ruth. So say yeah, sweet potato. Yeah, then.
Nti ye di besi jaso ni amansu na faso kakra wi ansa na ya de kokko no so
Abewo.
Ni ya de ye nkosua no ato se na ne nya benua bom shabo na.
Okay.
Ewie.
Hey. Miss Universe.
Pachai.
Na no ava crown na mehemi. Me ye na ni na kwaje wade.
Oh, crown no won sa kwaya me dia ba me bia mo. Ye be bia mo special one.
Fanko.
Oh, there be.
Let me show you so na so me dia je fans. Miss Kitchen show. Ready first.
Oh, see a crown no. O ma che crown no mo fa na. Yeah, cooking awards. I was some cooking awards. Next time, and no be encourage nkrofo no na nkoma ye aduane.
Young girls and they are what you say. And nothing na me do ba McBrown's kitchen has say. Bebe who say we share crown they be and they take you for granted. Say kitchen there onya dey. But baba hey prove will be wrong. What you say? Now next step here there.
Next step no ye be ye salmon ye be yi hu na ye ko bi no hu ye na ye chimu no na no so I ready na ya chie no so.
Oh okay nti wo be chi and ko bi ne salmon
no na ama ne crisp kakra so. Right. No say I am mremrem nti here bi ni ambomu kakra.
So the brofo na ba ha.
Mpa chai.
Okay. Nti e be yi salmon so sia. Good. Nti no head animate wa. Nti no Ruth Quarshie salmon no se sia. Salmon no plate here. Yeah, ye mun kase ni nyina kama.
Senia ukobo mu ahwa na akwa show baby.
Yeah. But salmon kase kwa re say na sonya de. Na
sonya de be mu ho unim senia mu didi.
Anyway.
Aya na we yi hu na anka ne chi nso na nka e de na.
Ene fa kan wa ya dia. Ediane ne ya ne edi.
Fam chen kakra.
Yeah. Okay, ti be isu salmon ba ko.
Isu ba ko pe. Na ye chi hu so se just in case say enya ya na amani nyan no free mu na.
Ene na company fu ngo ko free.
Mpa chai.
Wow, ye control menu so I ready. I'm sure say enter. The banyam
pepe.
Okay.
So no sorry. Nti si e be chi Kobe no ewo zo minimum.
Ti me ma uja.
Pa chai.
E be chi Kobe. Yes. Masoja na ma. 3 in 1.
Yes please.
Nti ye try my potato na hu ansa na kokko no ba. All right. You resi we hu to be a while side dey train say be. Fry pan no be. Now I was for some more share. E dey no class e wie ni ejina dey aka say. You ever say we am na ye didi anasa. Because control me no ya you want see ha no. Potato no wo film. Ye ba be chi Kobe. Simple food. When it down. It does. Wow. Then Sunny Kobe. Hey, you're ready. Then Sunny Kobe. Wow. And then the one miss for no.
Matsi enim.
You tear the eye.
I've removed our face.
And now you've removed it. Aye. What too many mampa.
Ehun hia. Said stereotype no modi amaye no. At least no. Omo hu say yenye lazy girls a yensu eni medua.
But if you so yeah 0% you.
Say no bomo ka say yenya ade ne yenye ye bi.
Yeah.
Ebi. Bomo ka say yenya ade omo amboa yen. So person hu a invite ne back kitchen. Me yenhwe.
And then miss for no.
Emonya ready.
Miss Universe. Ruth abebie kwana mamo. Ain't no. Hello me. If y'all want to prove yourself, hello.
Please don't disgrace me.
Please
don't disgrace me.
But won't disgrace you, I'm sure they will do the same. Wow, this is beautiful. Hi, now. Yes. Good will find Panoya.
And yes, okay.
Yes.
Let me show you.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Opa kakra bi o.
Ana yɛmfa kakra nka ho. Sɛ adeɛ me ne wow. Nti yɛmfa kakra nka ho. Yɛmfa kakra nka ho.
Yeah. Hey, when you feel so it's me jabi.
Pepe, it's me hwe bi hwe.
So the Kobe is about to
Go down.
test the oil. Now the Kobe. Wow. Hey.
What's in Ghana?
The room Ghana.
Kobe nim pampan no. Brother, you Ghana there.
Ghana there. Na ye no ma teme ma wa ni. Me ma. Look here in terms say. And still be yeah. And I have already seen you know. Ya te tendo se wa bon thing. Into no. Why not just so why baby answer so na so baby answer. Hey. How you come on? How you come okay. I think they go to me so.
I'm happy. Me en fire. Salmon and so.
Fire salmon.
In fact, I'm so kakra.
Oh, okay. It is salmon is called, you know. And they display with Jenny Mono. Hey. I tell you, you want your man at time.
Part time.
I tell them go find away. When I tell them go find away. I tell wow. Tell me, Mr. Bondier. High life now, I don't want to. And I hear
that be you infim, yes, sir. Yeah, dear, no more, my regional representation to be represented in the region of free. I'm representing Central Region.
Okay.
Mr. Yeah, say. Quarantine, our minko. Quarantine, our. Na me boom, my na me.
The me gonna say Miss Major.
Major mede quarantine na worry minko asa miss major mede me ni ebuye ma hey oswe
wow Kobe day on fire
yeah
Kobe and salmon wow now Ruth method you can come on
oh a secret recipe Minka,
your mother or your grandmother?
Oh, me dear me nana ba. Me nana net snae.
Oh,
me nana ne bia ne opepa ni. Opabo. Ma me dear no otsna nka ntoku fufuo.
And grandma no fufuo.
Hey, ma me I don't know. Ba ma fufuo pa. Me nana de on the way ah.
Oh, okay.
Nti, abrewa nana.
I think so.
I know so abi na.
Me ka sa shawama. Yeah. It's so na finish show.
Mpa chesha ha.
Yeah. Okay, so go best share we no na the way aba.
Okay.
So I'll bet me share one.
Mpa try me to me.
But me share ya na ka.
Mpa to me to me.
Ya ba shi. Yeah, contemporary. Yeah, Papa Shito. The general.
Already.
And no. Okay. Because I'm not saying why you are.
Na me ase jai yaye.
Jana yaye.
Yaye din.
Okay, yellow no.
Yellow ne kakra na.
Okay.
Mansion mediana. No.
The yama. Malone.
That's
Malone.
When
so who?
Yes, when so near the yakoko no. Okay. Yes, sense no so ho ego. Mfa we nsi akakra. Na njo kakra na. Yenya.
Nyemboa.
That's
na any boy kwetire. E bia na bibi. Nti me boa no a. Enya ba zi de wa. Onye ibia. Wow. Ai, meu Deus. It's a coco, no? É cuidado.
É, não sei cuidar, mas
ok. É, o strategy não é bad.
Intentem sa, because diani. Ya ka say ya no shabo shabo.
Yeah.
Nye wie ntem na. Ya pentama kwa katie new show.
Oh, pile of pizza is not necessary.
And no method with your mamma and a trim.
Okay. Hey, send on, so the baby.
But I'm looking.
Fine. Some almost actually are fine.
Hey, any idea about crisp?
Into no.
But I'm
okay.
Adia mama dear, one your fit. I am a yapan.
Kafra, no for the beer and say,
I'm a
what the other than a Sunday.
That's
The so do cocoa.
and to see, I know the mention in Begum and I'm a comic for an home.
Okay, into the engine and oh, take to us.
Nti media ya na me shada pension nti e de kakra pete so ba say ya no aka chem cause me no na edi edu
mate again
okay
finish you okay
no
Oba to do wo jana me boy no
sir
want is also me and crash
hey sir
I say who is your crash or say na McBrown
McBrown
see
no chance we have video on the master say your friend say nana dear McBrown
e di no say obi a o say the sika but enya me nya te ground na brown na na no me say
wa me efre
mo fe na no na highway inte say your tomatoes no so e dey
e no so ye twitwa
e ba be ko wow Ruth aduane na wo ye no
no
aduane na wo ye no
ye wie
Ruth Quarshie
yes
Miss Universe 2017 oba fe tintin so no tuntum so you anya me ashada anwene no what you say na no the bro for there mfanti otimi kan asanti otimi kan aduane nso a otumi ye Ruth full package full package
bride price na ya cost for nti meme
na somebody there
oh me na me person me keep me private life private because
na me ya wo na ko peja ma bi so asam
me se me dia me ka asam me se bride price na ko shro
and na bi so asam ma bi so asam
send dia na ya asam ka
bride price bi ko bi so asam to be so keep private say you tie bi
sa mpacho yo mate
you be bi sa and na wa me hu se se ko e dey
emrano so na mu hu ana aso na ye nyaye hu
ha ye shama bu sa for ye sham oba tintin
yes
oba tintin no what we agenda
mpachai
na kosia na o ka se
kosia na ye de guwe ne so mpachai
Ozanie
tupe ya mo bia
ebe kana
ebe tekisi ana me bekọ koma maame
uli go saba kwa koma maame wanti na to create amano ba
say ediane ni edi no metina me na ediane koma
onye bi no dem never to so back ma I'm not trying to bother you more than what I said but I'm trying to say the why am I na o me full package ma wo si
sa
ai
eni am I ready o
man full service
mpacho yo
en fa ko se ba koma no o ka so to kwem kwa
yes please
it's say you be and yeah be nyam me control me no
control mpacho
oh McBrown's kitchen Ediane page ye wie bibia
sa ye wie
ye we pe wa ha na o ka bibi se wo de control me no ye be si jaso so be ba se control me ya no ye be si jaso so
on say me de oil no ebe guso na me de esi jaso na ehu on say epe nwebo na enu awo ne scent ni taste bi a de me aduane no na ma na ye de dokodokoro na ma wa kai nkane no nti a ne be san so de esisi bi
can pay se me no watch am wa kai
grandma
no very interesting isn't that
I try.
We are very, very interesting.
I try.
Saint Anna on per se. You never call when. Emphasis was Ninja the day.
No.
Yeah. When sunny, I go anytime. Oh, yeah, fair. It's nice. McBrown's kitchen, me. At the end of the year, I was gonna have ya. So I want him. Me. Ruth, no, we will be saying now, oh, come on, no, say, won't chin the way over in the okay.
And Chinny, I mean, thank you, Mum, but my main command on.
Now, could be Nintino. What say?
Into one kakra, but me pesa me de me nazin fish kakra epitaso so modern mix old na
me nazin fish
kakrebi
what kakrebi
pitaso na chese amano yeah kakrebi so modern touch kakra and I'm being come
okay to
kakrebi
that's ramet. Minazen food spicy. Wow. And you're back. No, I come on, no, say, Kobe no cranny scenty, dear.
Jai.
O cranny tasty, dear. But Minazen Becca Hono. So can one no first, dear. Where's us? Are you okay?
What's it?
Because we be that a human being.
I'm after you. That's it. Hey, Adi.
I would do what not tomorrow.
Oh, na me trimu nya din bebre. Kakra bi. Atimu.
I was for ye bia ne no a na ebutu aye McBrown's kitchen. Me ba ana me nua ketewa. So ka agent ba bia me tumi do.
Mba cha me gina bibia.
I'm sure say me tumi mo ba to be me chiba be 2 or 3.
Obetumi. Yeah, sure pass obetumi.
Oh, me sure.
Anka won tema.
So go 20.
Mba cha
me tumi. At least. Ube me chiba be 3 or 4. Ruth said, ube we won chi na me ye free.
Mba cho
say ye no temper so be kan wa no hwia.
Kitso.
Okay, nchine no wa but ye man no kan. And after say dia no dia na.
Me sorry o. Ntaka kan.
Eh. I won't say on away. But me na ko di dwan. What has in every kitchen so don't try me.
Me are very sorry.
You understand?
Mpacho me are very sorry.
Okay. I wish for you go so abom. Miss Ruth Quarshie, Miss Universe 2017. And then McBrown's kitchen so a higher day. Come on. But me down and person did them say ya.
Nti yenya nsa wo. Ene.
Person did them say ya. Yenya nsa na yenyi wo kama. So the best just.
Mpachan.
Okay. No fire. I go put on for fire.
Davido.
Me Davido. Wow. You see the beautiful part of the food me say. Yanya me control many ye Jane and me connection. Ye see just. Right?
Yeah.
Yankwe.
Me wana na mtamsi sisi.
Wana this is so say. So yenyi yi ho ka. We have one ya boss work we are not what.
Kason say nipa mienu nti.
Oh no, I understand.
You understand no? Sir.
And also yeah me. Oh, okay.
Mokona sedanti ba. Okay.
And I'm trying to your honey because do not know. When I could say,
sisi ano ase. Enya aya abia na kaka crazy. O see tomatoes ni. Egugu na ho kakra.
Oh, okay.
So egugu na ho sa na na ehwe gu so na ne is the eating be the going.
Okay.
The eating then quiet be there.
All right.
Yeah.
Anyway, I can't help another say no. I am ready. But I think it's a bit me because the best I just so high.
Oh yeah, of course. Of course.
It's no. You share your Kobe, your salmon, your German in toast now. You didn't in Kakas Paseno. You did go. You bomb no so. When him say we do make me a pamon.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yeah.
I feel some Kimi and Yanni, baby, Abumo.
Coffee, oh. A rock of family for
Pacho Sakimio, Minko. There be a Muslim acquaintance.
Oh, Mr. Mango. Baby, I do it. Wow.
So we shut down no be brave, but bonne hakakra.
Oh, shut down.
Abo hakakra. Abonne hakakra. Na why say kakra? Tina nya bitumi ewurewuremu. Na e kwase, na e basro, na e fanche, na e kosi.
Is that what the Usha crown boy if so here Bamponi? Masha crown in the Ananka.
Anyanka.
Kajamin some
trying.
Ruth baby, you are things able to me try one ba.
Mpa trying.
We are bananas away so yeah, 2 ya. Let's say you are no. Are you ready? Oh, this is so simple. Thank you for coming, okay?
Thank you for having me.
I was here for your child was to see about McBrown's kitchen. Just so hi, as I'm saying, you went to me and just
me fairly. Ediane now, Jimmy Trimuma.
Okay, Ediane Pede. McBrown's kitchen.
Ediane Pede.
All right, your child was to see about.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
Mommy, this is hard.
And 7 + 2 is 9.
Mommy, you're always right.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let's say, I don't trust yet me shebi. High sense TV wo we. Ya ba hwe na ya hwe no clear. Every 8th April, I copy World Cup na wie ye. High sense TV bia, size bia, ya tete so ama wo say. Enu na waka no. Say, high sense dear, wo dia asem o. Me dia ni ji sema san aba. Bora high sense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Toby, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 dear. What show high sense TV so therefore. And then fair. TV I will tell you 5 years warranty dear. High sense na de buy you. Na da su chia. Hisense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be as I want to say Nadia Mammy go to Guardian and Grofogus to baby. I am in a zen. I have food spices and no, yes, I take in your mama. We will have a chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. A baby has a wood menazen food spices. What do you wear, dear? So, what one day, so we are doing with you, will be a baby to a dear. I'm feeling sad. Now, school feeding for years, while I pay no, we are on my feeling. Menazen will be any hobbies, my customers. What is
Obia Padepa Bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia yema mebusua no me pe no bebre. Enu nti eba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi tise vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi dear biona mehwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra
so say we super use enriched tasty tom, tomato mixer vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, mediane yede, yema also.
Hello people, welcome again to McBrown's kitchen. Na Nadia. Someone who has said yes, no aduane na. Oh, still no message aso. How you do? Now as I'm Snoopy, McBrown's kitchen.
Hey, you ready? Ediane pede. Mpacho, ediane pede. Ediane pede. Ediane pede.
I was at higher the pa now. Yes, tune in here. Ruth, I think some baby are doing here.
Me do me jano.
Pachai.
Na ma transfer.
Aish, you ready?
I won't try.
You ready?
This is what I won't try, but it will be here. Okay. Once I got Chinese idea.
What place? Pepe. And where be
African one, yeah. What I say, I'm Chinese now, the way the African one. And no baby. I was for one himself, McBrown's kitchen there. Met me, I can be about. I want some as yeah. Just I'm sure me them. Meet me family. It's a high sense Sadaroma. High sense air promotion, please. Me person be from some discount now. Into also see a TV no ya teach to say who? Yeah, Amcom TV. Nini na discount akano because of World Cup no Toby and Kobe dem go TV. Why? I sense ya ba mama. And Royal Aroma Rice. Yes. So the tasty tom be jollof. I'm a net tour. This is the tasty tom the Royal Aroma Rice and the cabo. And no ubenya no more jollof. And one the be jollof no so the no any 90 omega-3 sunflower oil and no any. And as a jollof nini na be pe and then no be back. Minazen food spices. Unza, mama na simple amount. After that, the spices are be way original no one. Now, and then Matadia Michelle Royal Couture for and I am Madame Pam share me free. Aligina and I am makeup free. And second I did the вечер photo free. Nyonyo, the mommy crew and free. La Pam Royal Beach. Almost support me. Kakraka and free and you support me and son apple pie publicity almost so support me anyway maybe I free anyway na palm apple pie once I'm here like because almost support to dream no car a kitchen even see that I just me on when ya okay Ruth, thank you so much for coming what ediane awabeye and na me me deeper but McBrown's kitchen, yo, I did be a young debia. Where wardrobe? Na sa wardrobe. Bibium, what they won't be I order. Brother, Bibium, nay, the woman now. Oh, eh, 90 omega-3 sunflower oil. When the wood for away for rice, no. Royal Aroma Rice. Yeah. Let me follow me. Don't go more. You're nice any minerals and food spices. Oh, Jimmy Nessio. And Sana, good. Chopper. This is for me to you. So, what's on the farmer? No, what should I come? And yet, thank you. Now, the last one. Another one? Yes. Hey. Oh, wow. Tasty Tom. Thank you. And Tasty Tom pasta. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you very much for having me. Let's see. We're not so proud. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. I'm trying. Wait, no fucking knife. David. Yes, please. And my cousin said, this is the edition. And you didn't know. Edition time. Ruth. Let's go. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, sweet potato. No more. Come on. Where you'll be and did you bet me? Chepepe. You made your way through. Cocoa. Body cocoa back. Tobacco canker. What's the first? There's a penny. It's your son. Yes, ma'am. Wow. What would you need to do? Jai. We need to see Benny over. Hey, Tobo, are they? Ah. And the other still met me. Let me have more. But you remember me. Open me, Miss. Mommy, someone. Crispy one. Yeah. Wow. You didn't near a come. Yeah. You could be my. Share why you could be Cassiano. But I could be mammy. And then salmon me about. And in Cosia. Oh, fantastic. Now, made me work a crack. I put so. I'm fantastic. I feel mammy, you may pair. Wow. Fante for the room when you are.
Yes, sit down where I am there.
Into a flat now, we see more this year. Now, Ruth, Fante, Corona,
If you're Juma come to me,
a Juma come to me, into me,
minimum. Makoda, Nicoya donation cry Easter, we mama yam and saw him out with chrome.
Hey,
Pachine.
Miss Universe,
Pachine, a be a choir mammy, a be a choir papa,
a bopa. Now, Miss Universe, a whole I'm dealing with, I'll start from there, right? Good. Before I start, let me taste your food. Yeah, yes,
I also taste my own food. Ready, yes. But you didn't hear near Monkomo.
But I'm them you me sure
sorry.
Wow, what was that for? Ruth Quarshie, Miss Universe 2017 edition at the pa. Now, yeah, did you want saying? Into move and chime some more say me yes say yes. Go be a dian in the intino on. You got me. Ruth, Miss Universe 2017. Now only be now choir and I said no one in the gym.
Miss Sonia person me yet Miss Universe. But now I wasn't confident enough to ever do any of these beauty pageants. And so those days
Miss
person me yet Miss Universe like ever since I was little. But now I wasn't confident enough to do the Miss Universe. Now those days so almost so one shut down parents in this town to me because the patrol said Brana Beji way be let me see oh what the year he me besi into me we uni no na me am national service no na me hu say me na a new franchise owner na me hu so ma me we die o ka so be ya de oye ati asenti so do hu bo bibi hu sa na e be boa in the long run na me ka so ma me ko contract nhwe na me ko na anye yie po a I tried you know it's better to try than not to do it at all na me ko na ko try na e fa ma me say me Miss University ameti he
Miss Universe. Now, so what to find, please? Miss Universe, I do what to find. I said, no, what to find her.
No, to find her.
Now, we're going to go.
Bachelor Debbie.
Oh, going.
You can need to buy.
You can need to buy. Oh, okay. And I said, Miss Universe, they wow. Miss Universe, Moko International way. Who do say?
We do top 16.
Top 16. Ghana, you know now.
Ghana, you do here 1999. Ekuba Kujo. No, do top 10, but at the time, no one does so. But this year, we've had the largest Miss Universe contestants. This year, 92 girls.
Wow. And I drew 16. Whoa. Congratulations.
Thank you.
When we knew crowd, we
win. Many day, my try.
No.
First year.
You saw pictures and on social media. And just said, I don't cook. Just said, you try. You try. Now, as I said, what you took when I bought what so and answer one who said. They say you wouldn't be I help.
Miss University, me know me because it be a choir mammy. Nyama anka, me Miss Universe, I mean an opportunities being at the Ankamina was a stepping stone for me to be able to get to where I actually want to be in life. Because I want to be a very influential person in society, and so you don't have to be a Miss Universe to do that. But personally, I wanted to be
that platform
for myself. So you can do other things and become influential. But me no, me media me see me soon say, person me Miss Universe. Na me to me de build it. Ko baby am person me ko. Nti ndia aboa me pa. Because me Miss Universe me ko donation with chrome. Come mo see me. Nkoso
hema.
Yes.
It is a responsibility that does more. We are Miss Universe. Now we are chrome so. Now why a baby or now what's that baby we are?
First thing I hear any donation Easter. But some of them are in charge of women and children.
Okay.
Because a lot of the teenage girls are just getting pregnant because omuwe JSS no mo ntuaso. Na omakwa kwanyem say that be be maybe be sure money and the women there too are not taking care of the children well because you don't have the finances. This year September ye di a festival into your hand no frame make a trade say yen hwe yenye bibi ma ema no ne enkwada no so that they'll be able to do something. Mpacho me invite nti see ane yen say me be call companies ye bende best sponsorship bia na etumi agada skaka kra say you bet me to omoni made but they can't afford to go to school. You bet your school fees, and also will provide some of the widows with basic amenities to say Adriane ni ade no mu asham kwala na science sponsorship be bia whether in cash whether it's
the opportunity
any company
companies no be
any company, may share some your sponsors, some sponsor or any other company in your books and cash, transportation services, because definitely would have to drive and go there. And if you can't give us money, cry not my transportation, I bet you.
My food stuff,
and so I bet you because anything to make sure that the women and children are being taken care of. Because a man may your money, a man share a mema. It is all banana na mama no only. Scar na se no honto na obetumi ahwe be ma no na be ma na ba be matitiri wo
obetumi ahwe ne ba be ma no pepe am na ba ntisa bo ho anu adani akra boni
pepe inti women and children no na esi meni sisi anti I'm seeking for sponsorship inti companies in Poucho se me ba ene because one him ejuma ya na go su ye yo
okay Ruth me da se ba McBrown's
me da se so
odiane nete
bacha me da se
odiane nete na me hu mesia bitime bu ani gu su TV so edi aduane sa
aduane die
ana crown ne shawa na we mix we are different
crown ne shawa dia was so to boss
na in front
but the crown ne shawa sana ya na what's na fia na
yeah Ruth, just your last word and then we say bye bye to our viewers.
So what I would tell anyone that if you have a dream, pursue it. Anything, it's better to do it than not to do it. Yes, I'll be saying 1 year crap because 1 year I'll be saying was a bit me and I sound to me. Yeah. What try now failure out to make us oh me idea when my year and year. But so young no yen so my year na year into make a trophy as and you this when is no matter how difficult it is, just try. And yeah na no but say yen so and kudos to you.
No. Wow, Ruth. Yeah, that's so bad. What's it? We shall for baby do the animal bedding because a diana ned and then combono so no. Yeah, Dibia, a bit so high. Your best share now, Chester, but McBrown's kitchen, your YouTube. It is and then that we share and I dig out here. Me pa choppy, I be brave for a YouTube channel and I share your YouTube, McBrown's kitchen now. Yeah, chassis in our who bet me at you. We did in an arm McBrown. Your best share now, Chester, but. Asadakoma high sense, tasty tom, royal aroma rice, 90 omega-3 sunflower oil, and minerals and food spices. Sana Asadakoma nyonyo food, La Palm Royal Beach Hotel, Aligino makeover, apple pie publicity, and a royal couture. The best year now, just send Macau. Sana.
Gotcha.
McBrown's kitchen, again McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen, again McBrown's kitchen, yet to cano, get it bow, so when you know, no am I in here, yet to cano, get it bow, so when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen.